Vishaka applies the Kama Yantra Tilak between Kishori's eyebrows. The Kama Yantra Tilak is a type of circles or bindi. It starts off with a large dot of red kumkum. Then that large dot of red kumkum is encircled by small dots of sandalwood paste. At the base of the large kumkum dot, an even larger circle of sandalwood paste is drawn. And in the center of that larger circle of sandalwood paste, there is a spot of black kasturi in the center. Using kasturi, which is musk, a black substance, Vishaka paints pictures of leaves on both sides of the tilak that extend from Radharani's center of her forehead over her eyebrows and down to her cheeks.